Hello, welcome to Signature Subang SS15. Come, let's go.
Okay, there's one project in Setia Alam. At first, the client already signed with other company, but they doesn't like the design from them. So they come to us and they seek for our help. So we show them what kind of the possible layout can be done and what's the accessories that they can put in the basket, what kind of the door design can be done. They are very happy with the color combination, yeah, and also the compartment.
This client of mine, she has a requirement that we have to work with her feng shui. Solution mainly is, like I said, her requirements is very important, and we have to make it cohesively with the design concept that we propose, which is a modern contemporary. I think most of the feedback is that even though she is using her feng shui master, we can also incorporate a modern design to the requirements.
This branch is already 16 years old. We started off with only 2 staff, and then slowly we grow to now 3 story. We are having like 25 staff. The customers who come here are those who want to have like one-stop convenience. They want to incorporate signature products into their house renovation. Things have picked up again after MCO. The signature brand is still very strong, and of course, signature is still growing.